Humanetics is the world's largest manufacturer of crash test dummies. Here in our Huron, Ohio facility, we manufacture all of the components and assemble the crash test dummies here. We certify and test the crash test dummies, and we ship them to our customers all over the world.
Within our facility, we have a lot of different types of positions, from the manufacturing on up to engineering, office type positions here. We have skilled trades, machining, welding. We do have maintenance people that are skilled trades as well, that do some electrical work.
It's a 3-shift rotating factory, and there's even flexibility within those hours that they give you.
Every manager, every supervisor I've had has been extremely helpful with scheduling, basically allowing me to make whatever schedule I need to make sure I get my 40 hours as well as going to college full time.
One of the many reasons that I've stayed with Humanetics is the great benefits that we have, our 401k plan, our paid time off, paid holidays.
The vacation package, new employees come in, right off the street, got 3 weeks vacation right away.
This company gives away a lot of free stuff, whether they're catering food or they're having raffles, or it could just be National Donut Day and they're going to be serving donuts in the cafeteria.
On top of that, they have a very generous tuition reimbursement program here where as long as I'm working here, they will pay for part of my college, and it's been great, a very great experience.
It just seems like there's a real effort to just engage with employees, and I really feel like those little things actually really help the overall morale here.
The fact that you can come into the building and you're in air conditioning all day, the climate control is not something you have in a lot of different manufacturing facilities, and I think that really stands out to a lot of the employees once they've been here for a short time.
I am lucky enough to have a role where I get to work hands-on with brand new prototype dummies, very, very advanced dummies, to the point where every day is something new.
I mean, the technology that we've been developing over the years and that we're continuing to develop is really impressive.
It's a pretty laid-back environment, the way the different departments work together. And I think that's one of the things that has kept me here for so many years is the people that we work with.
We don't always look for experience, we look for good people that are willing to take on the training and become a great employee.
Our overall goal, I think, as a company is to keep people long-term. The company benefits from it, the employees benefit from it, and I think that's a key goal, and that's something that I would encourage somebody if they were looking for a job, is to look for a place like that, and we are one of those places.
I love working here. I love working for Humanetics. It has to be one of the coolest things. We have a very unique product line. We are pretty much one of the only companies in the world that build crash test dummies. And the uniqueness alone in that is exciting, it's exhilarating, it's great to know that what we do is impacting lives every day.